Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can type in another line in Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application in my PC, and I'm going to type in the server. I'm just going to type in hello like this, and I'm going to enter it. If we want to enter, we need to use the shift button and the enter, because if you click on the enter button only, your message will be sent. But if you click on the shift button with enter at the same time, you will type in another line. And I'm going to demonstrate it guys. Press on the shift button and the enter just like this, and you will be able to type in another line. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to type in another line in Discord PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.